how you guys doing? I'm here at my job. Got my mask on. Putting together a little part marking job. I'll show you what it looks like. Check it out. That's what it looks like. TMP 6100 from Telesis. Little controller box running off a laptop. Made my own little CMM style subplate so I can locate jobs. Pretty cool. That's what I'm doing now. For now, I'll do a little bit of everything. CNC, programming, setup, protecting the motor from any dust. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. This is one of those jobs I programmed. This is the DMU 50 5-axis machine. Doing a little aluminum job on a riser. Pretty cool. I just replaced the window on this, by the way. It's hard to see in there, but maybe I could zoom in a little bit. We just hit 90 degree. Yep, this is the control. It's their new line. They're all digital, like a big iPad. This is what the parts look like. It's like a little bracket. It's like on an angle. Pretty cool. Little tool change. I love this stuff. Cool. This is our little mill tap 700. Little 30 taper. I love this machine. It's so fast. It's got a 4th axis on it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. This tool changer is nice. Very nice. It's got a Siemens control. Pretty cool stuff. Yeah. This is our Haas UMC 750 5-axis. It's currently running a nice little job in there. It's hard to see a little bit because the window's kind of fogged up, but yeah. Doing some parts. That's it. So I'm just showing you guys a few things, not everything, but it's what I do. I'm a CNC machinist, programmer, and a fun guy. Stay safe out there, man. Hopefully we can all be out soon and enjoy our life. All right, so that was a little walkthrough in my job. Just punched out. It's raining like crazy out here, but I will go home now. Thank you for watching.